Let's take a look at these Reese's bars. We got two sizes. One is the king size and the other one is Reese's fast break. It's made with chocolate, peanut butter, crispy peanut butter candy and peanuts. So a whole lot of peanuts. That's how it looks. 3 servings. Each serving has about 150 calories and the whole thing has about 440 calories. It's made by the Hershey company, made at Hershey's, Pennsylvania. Ingredients are sugar, peanuts, corn syrup, vegetable oil, palm oil, shea oil, sunflower oil, chocolate, milk, lactose, molasses, cocoa, whey, milk fat, soy milk, salt, lecithin, artificial flavors, TBHQ, citric acid. It's from Hershey's, Pennsylvania. So let's taste it. I think the weather in India is too hot for this. So let's taste it. The outer chocolate is quite nice, but the peanut brittle or that's something really special that has such an amazing texture. Chewy, so peanutty. If you are a fan of peanuts, you should definitely check this out. It's the Reese's Crispy Crunchy. That's how it looks. So good. This is the Reese's Fast Break. This has a milk chocolate, peanut butter and nougat. So let's taste it. The nougat and milk chocolate have the same texture, very peanutty. It's quite good, but it really can't stand against the crispy crunchy. Quite nice. Check it out. These have a really interesting QR codes called smart labels. If you are in the US, you can download the smart label app and when you scan, it gives you this info, detailed ingredient list. You can see for the TBHQs, you get a description of that. You can get a detailed info about each ingredient. I was always curious what this was. A substance found in oil components of certain plants that act as an emulsifier to prevent ingredients from separating. Really interesting. You also get a detailed nutritional info. Allergies. Another certification info. Even if you are not in the US, you can go to the smartlabel.org and search for the product. They have quite a few companies. I'm surprised by how many brands Hershey's has. It's also interesting to see the fast break comes in quite a few different sizes.